Planning to use WeChat Pay in the Philippines? Here's a simple step-by-step guide for tourists and residents. Step 1. Download and verify. Download the WeChat app, sign up, and complete identity verification with your passport or valid ID. This is required before you can use WeChat Pay. Step 2. Link a payment method. For tourists, you can link international credit or debit cards like Visa or MasterCard. Residents can also link local bank cards supported by WeChat Pay. Once linked, you'll be able to top up and pay directly. Step 3. Where you can use it. WeChat Pay works in selected stores, restaurants, airports, and partner merchants across the Philippines, especially those catering to Chinese tourists. Just scan the merchant's QR code and confirm payment. Step 4. Tips for smooth use. Make sure your app is updated, enable roaming data or Wi Fi, and always keep some cash as a backup since not all shops accept WeChat Pay yet.